Hi everyone, welcome to week 9. So this week we are continuing with and introducing care planning and self-care sessions. So in class last week we did a activity that was starting to help you get ready to plan a session. And this week what you'll find is there's 2 PowerPoints. The care planning is review kind of for you because we have done it in our other class. But again, I want you to think about care planning in this class a little bit more specific to just the education and self-care that you'll be doing for a client. And then oral self-care session is the other PowerPoint. This week you will have a discussion board and there's instructions here. So it's going to open today, Monday, and close Sunday. You need to post a thread before you can see anyone else's to comment on it. So you'll need to, when you go into the thread, this will all be there. You can certainly do this on your own paper, like your own Word document, and then submit it, or you can do it directly in the discussion board. So you're going to fill this out. So I've given you the diagnosis. You're going to do 1 or 2 goals, or 1 goal per diagnosis, and then the interventions. I've already given you debridement. Don't worry about this column for evaluation, okay? And then you're going to do 2 clients. Once you've done that and you submit it, then after a few days, hopefully you'll be able to see a couple of other students' posts, and then you can go to Flipgrid and do a video to comment on their thread, or you can comment directly on their thread in Blackboard. Don't just say, I really liked your post. Add something to their care plan, something that maybe you did or that you would think of, or talk about how you never thought of that and why you think it would or wouldn't work. And then I have also put assignment 3 here for you. So you'll want to go to that tab and there will be more information in the assignment folder regarding assignment 3. Which is the final assignment of the semester, and then your weekly checklist and summary. So make sure you read through this, make sure you've looked at the PowerPoints, participated in the discussion board, kind of looking at finishing assignment 2. If I were you, I would start to do that because even though it's due week 11, it certainly is something I would accept sooner, and that way it's off your plate and you don't have anything to worry about come week 11 because I know it's getting busier. We do have a test next week, so start to make study notes, and then early next week or late this week I'll post the criteria for what that test will be. It will be in class and it will be part multiple choice, part short answer. Make sure that you follow the instructions about the assignment. There will be a sign up in Blackboard. This is all you have to do this week, so it seems like a little bit of a less heavy week. We will do an activity in class related to self-care planning as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.